Sarah Lappin. I'm Leader of Careers at Wade Deacon High School, and today is our annual Careers Fair for our Year 11s. This is a fantastic opportunity for our Year 11s to explore the different colleges and courses that they have on available.
The students can gather as much information, speak to the admissions officers from each college to make sure that it's the right choice for themselves.
So it's really, really important that the students are aware of all the fantastic opportunities that are available.
You look on the internet and find all your information, but to get it hands-on, to pick up the information, take it home to parents, it's an ideal time for the students to gather what information they need. They've been really positive, asking questions.
We have had amazing response where students are really eager to ask some fantastic questions to the colleges and see what courses are actually available. We've also had some students that have actually applied today to their chosen course.
We do follow up all the students as well to make sure they've all got the place where they want to go to. We make sure they've got their applications in so they can reserve themselves a place for the choice of course that they want to go on to.